this is totally unplanned, and this is what happens when you do not have a 2021 wish list. You just go a little bonkers and do crazy things like this. Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I have several unboxings. This is crazy. I have, of course, this huge Prada box in front of me right here. I have something for you guys, which is inside this LV box and LV paper bag, and then I have something in front of me as well. So wow, girl went on a bit of a YOLO streak and I just did it. The theme is YOLO and sparkly. So before I open this, let me show you some sparkly stuff which I received from Ana Luisa. So thank you to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this portion of the video. I have received 4 items from Ana Luisa, and if you buy something from Ana Luisa, they come with these kind of recycling boxes. So they come with 2 different types of packaging now. First piece that I got is this beautiful necklace that I have been eyeing for a while, but it has been out of stock. So let me just wear it out and you can see. What I love about this piece is that it has a little bit of that Hermes Chandon pattern. Super pretty, and this is in sterling silver with 14K plated. Oh my gosh, so gorgeous and sparkly. I actually love their necklaces. I have several of them right now, and this piece is going to be so good, either layered or you can wear it on its own, and they have 2 lengths. So I'm wearing it at the shorter length. Second necklace that I got also came in this pouch, but it came in this cardboard container, which I thought was so cute. I really like this. Like, I could use this for traveling to put my earrings and all. So why did it come in this container is because it is this kind of like snake chain flat necklace. Gosh, I wish you could like see this in real life. It's so beautiful and delicate. This is going to fall so beautifully along the neckline. So I'm gonna wear this as well. Let's just like wear them all together. I've got a mirror in front of me. You can see that the flat necklace lays so beautifully on the neckline. And if I pull the other necklace a little higher as a choker, it actually goes really well. Let me show you one more necklace that I received, which I actually have another version. So they have 2 versions of this necklace. The other necklace that I got is called Oona. I guess like I kind of remember it like because it's shaped of an O. They have another version which is a heart shape, and I already have that. And I actually really love this necklace because it's so dainty. Kind of look cute. Like my favorite one is the puffy heart that Ana Luisa has. Today's theme is bling bling shine shine. So oh my goodness, that is so pretty. If I were to wear this alone, I would wear it just between my collarbone. But if you prefer your chains to be longer, this is, let's see how long is this. This is a 16-inch plus 2 inches, so you can be 18 inches long. So you can actually wear it longer, and I love the fact that all the necklaces can be layered. It's really pretty. I love the heart-shaped one as well. So that's the 3rd item that I got, and the final one that I got is bling earrings. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Okay, so the mini Sonia hoop earrings, and you know, hoop earrings are so in right now. You know, since my last collaboration with Ana Luisa, I think about maybe 3 months ago, these pair of earrings, these are also from Ana Luisa. I haven't taken them off. I know, okay, I just love to wear their earrings. They're really good quality, and because my ears are quite sensitive, I can wear these sterling silver gold-plated ones. I only took them out once, I think, to try, what was it to try? I tried something on and I took them off, but otherwise I actually put them back on and use them. These are the paper clip earrings with pave diamonds or pave crystals. Oh wow, they are super sparkly. Oh my gosh, they match my other hoop earrings really nicely. This is even, it looks even more sparkly now. Whoa, that's pretty. I'm gonna give these paperclip earrings a break for a little bit because these babies have been on my ears for quite a few months, and then now I'm gonna wear these huggy earrings, these mini Sonia ones. I will leave the names to all these 4 pieces in the description section down below. I'll also leave a link to Ana Luisa. I have a discount code which you can use throughout the entire site. So yeah, go and check them out, and I hope you enjoy the pieces that you select as well. We are super sparkly, so let's go into this item right here. Oh my gosh, if you've been following me for a while, you probably would guess what this is. So let me just take the box out. On the other side. Okay. I'm gonna put like a clip of the unboxing right here. Are you ready? The Prada crystal bag. Oh my goodness. People, the camera, I don't know if it's doing this bag justice. This crystal bag is phenomenal. I have been eyeing it since I saw Clara got it, and I have been telling Clara, I don't think so, I feel like buying it, and I'll tell Amy, I don't think so, I think I'll buy it, and I decided today that I'm gonna go to the store and I'm going to try it out for myself because it just looks like, I'm not sure, like in the video, in the cameras, I just didn't know, but when I saw it in store, and I will put some clips, wow, it's so beautiful. It is incredibly well made. The crystals feel solidly stuck. They're like heat stamped on. It actually makes the bag feel more substantial because I have tried this Prada reissue bag before, and you know, without the crystals, just the plain nylon, it is a very light bag, but with the crystal, it's got a bit of weight. So let me open the interior. Let me take out this stuff. For this version, it's actually satin, and the satin is so soft and luxurious. Now, the essay did tell me that if the crystals came out, or if the satin starts to get a little like maybe damaged through, I don't know, whatever. However you use your bag, you know, you could damage it. Somehow you can actually replace the satin and you can actually replace the crystals. Not a problem, it is fixable. But they haven't had any issues with this bag. So, wow, when I laid my eyes on it, I just... I literally told her, okay, now I get it. Now I understand why people are just Google eyes over this bag. When you see it in real life, it is like, oh my gosh, just, can you not, oh my goodness, I hope you are seeing that. It might be a bit blur, but look at that shine. This bag, I have tried the original version. It fits a lot, so I don't have to do a what's in my bag. Maybe if you want me to do what's in my bag, let me know in the comment section down below. I will definitely do that for you, and of course I will do a review of this bag. You know guys, let me just tell you, I actually bought this in the store, and online it's selling for $110 Singapore dollars more. I think the prices online reflects the increased price because in store it was still cheaper. So I was kind of surprised that I paid the lower price, or maybe the current price, and they are actually revising the prices online. So yeah, I paid $2,440 for this, but it's actually $2,550 online. I don't think that's a pricing error. I suspect they are increasing the price. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I did it. They also have this bag in white, and the white is, oh my goodness. If you think this is sparkly, the white is like Baccarat crystal white. It's blindingly fantastic. Oh my gosh. Yeah, if you are looking for a fun bag that is a head turner, gosh, this is one of them that I think it's practically okay price because, you know, it's a fully crystal, like, you know, this kind of crystal bag. But, you know, if you were to get this bag from, say, Gucci or maybe LV, don't talk about Chanel or Hermes, it's gonna cost so much more. And I think the price is still manageably okay. Not cheap compared to their full nylon bag, because the full nylon bag is half the price. But this is really, really something special. I haven't seen Prada come up with bags like that before, and which is why I have been eyeing it for a while. I was thinking, should I get it, should I not get it? Because I've been getting a few bags already. But then today I decided, you know what, YOLO, this is going to be my Christmas bag. I'm not sure where I'm going for Christmas, but it'll be my Christmas party bag, New Year Eve. If we celebrate New Year's Eve, you know, maybe I'll do it here or something. Yeah. Anyway. Oh my gosh, this is my new bag. People, if you're looking for it, go grab it. The next item is from LV, and this is not for me. This is actually for you guys. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is up here. I'll also link it down below. And I hope you are subscribed because I am going to be reaching my 20,000 subscriber on YouTube, and I know a lot of you watch my channel, but you may not be subscribed, so make sure you hit that subscribe button somewhere down here, subscribe, and let me hit my 20,000 because we have actually 3 amazing giveaways. I've got one over there, but you have to watch another video which I'm gonna link up here. I did announce this giveaway, but I'm gonna repeat it here again because I actually got another item. One of the giveaways is in this YSL box, and it is actually a YSL card holder. I announced it in that video, so you can go and check it out. I'll also put a picture here. This is sponsored by a wonderful subscriber, and guys, this is crazy because again, I have another giveaway which is also sponsored by a subscriber for me to reach my 20,000 giveaway. It is just mind-blowing. So I just picked it up today, and guys, I am lost, just lost for words for the support of of my channel. And yeah, I don't know, I'm just blown away. Okay, blown away with the support. So this is another item that I will be giving away, sponsored by a subscriber. It is a card holder as well, and you guys are lucky, okay? I'm so lucky, but you guys are lucky as well. Another lucky winner will win this reverse monogram card holder when I hit my 20,000 subscriber on my YouTube channel. So once I hit that mark, I will of course do another video and do a whole giveaway video, but this is sort of like just a pre-announcement that I have these 2 giveaways. Share my video, you know, get your friends, get your families to subscribe, and the faster I reach, the faster we can do this. And maybe it will be like a November, like a Black Friday, or maybe not Christmas, but maybe Black Friday. Let's get earlier November and let's get into it. So I've got this other item, and I got the YSL. I am also contributing one piece, which is makeup. So we have, wow, it's like 3 amazing giveaways. So I've got a beautiful Hermes lip balm that I will also be giving away as part of my 20k subscribership. So guys, that is today's crazy reveal. I got a new bag. Yes, I had to do it. I have been so, I don't know, stressed with work and all, so I did it. Okay, so and then I got these 2 giveaways and obviously these beautiful items from Ana Luisa. If I'm sweating because it's really hot. Thank you again to Ana Luisa for these beautiful jewelry pieces. You'll definitely be seeing me wear them, especially this earring. I think it's gonna live on my ear for a little while. And yeah, check them out. I will link them down below. And if you buy any of these pieces, you can always tag me on Instagram. Let me know how you're liking them. If you're shy, you can always email me as well. So guys, yeah, look, I've got jewelry, I've got a sparkly new bag, and of course we have something for you. So like I said, subscribe, help me to my 20k, and let's end this year with a big bang and an amazing giveaway. Thank you to my subscriber again for sponsoring this. This is extremely generous, and yeah, thank you for being with me on this journey to 20k and on this journey on this channel. So yeah guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up as well. It'll help me with this channel. And guys, take care, stay safe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.